Welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video we are going to learn how to move columns in Excel. This is a pro tip that we are going to learn. So let's dive into it. Here you can see my data is in column B and column C, and the column B I want to shift into column D. So how can we do it? By using this shortcut method. Just select the column and press shift, and in left or right you will see the 4 black arrows. Just shift and drag where you want. So I have pressed here, and if I go to back here and select first, and you will see shift and drag where you want. So here you can see I have dragged here, and you can do the same for rows. So for example, this March I want to show here up here, then I'll select and you will see here I'll press shift, and where I want I can drop down there. So this is this simple pro tip that you can shift anywhere you want to get the result. So I hope this video helps you a lot, and I will post more videos only for beginner who want to learn Excel. And this is number 36 video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.